Okay, yeah, you might be asking, what is this all about? Well, I can feel you, but this is the type of content the channel MF Production creates. They have over 500,000 subscribers and over 31 million views just by posting the type of Jesus shorts I showed you in the beginning. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they make around $20,000 a month. That doesn't sound bad, right? So you want to know how you can make these same kind of Jesus shorts, go viral and make thousands of dollars? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create Jesus shorts that will go viral. And I will even how to create two different kind of Jesus shorts, a simple one and an advanced one. We will start with the simple one. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay, let's take a look at their most viral shorts so we can analyze them. Okay, that is enough. I know how they are doing it. And their concept is simple. They simply show a compilation of AI-generated Jesus images. And each short has the same kind of theme. Jesus carrying a comically large object, be it an egg, a lemon, or even huge red peppers. Yes, we could start an entire seminar talking about why these types of videos go viral and what cultural impact it has. But let's be clear, these are going insanely viral and we want to do that too. So what do we need? Well, we need to know what kind of comically large thing we want Jesus to carry, and therefore we need an image prompt. So let's ask ChatGPT something like this. Please give me an image prompt for Jesus Christ carrying a large broccoli. Okay, amazing. Let's copy the prompt. Now we need to get ourselves an AI image generator. We could, for example, use the free-to-use Leonardo AI. Log in, or simply sign up with your Google account, and then click on Image Creation. Now paste the image prompt here. Now on the left, go to the Advanced Controls and select 9x16 as the dimensions to make the image vertical, and press Generate. Amazing. Now download the ones you like most. And guys, if you want to use another image style or model, simply click on the legacy mode, and then you can change the fine-tuned model like this. Just generate some more images. Let's ask ChatGPT for a different kind of prompt, and generate a new image. But I also want to show you another image generator called Ideogram. This is an also great tool, but here we can only generate like 5 image prompts. But let's try it out and paste the text. Now set the aspect ratio to 9x16 and press Generate. After 30 seconds you will get something like this. But since I wanted to get more results that look like the ones from MF Production, I did the following. I made a screenshot here, and then I asked ChatGPT what kind of style this is. It turns out the style is hyper-realism and fantasy illustration. So yeah. Then I added that to the prompt and regenerated it in Ideogram. And then you get something like this. And no worries, I will put the prompts in the video description. Now click on the 3 dots and download the image. Okay, since I have a Midjourney, I generated a lot of Jesus images with broccoli there. Here you can see me do that in full speed. By the way, if you are interested to make more Jesus content, then go ahead and watch this video I made a couple weeks back. And guys, I'd suggest to use only one image generator to have a consistent looking video in the end. I'm going to use a kind of hybrid version of all the images from the 3 image generators I used for educational purposes. Okay, before we are going to edit the video in CapCut, Let's download an example short so we have a kind of template. Now open CapCut and drop it in there. Okay, after inspecting the video, I found out that each image has a duration of 2 seconds. So go to your CapCut settings and go to Edit. Now make sure that the image duration is set to 2 seconds and press Save. Now drag all the images we generated in there. Now go to Transitions and drag one of the trending transitions between 2 clips. Do this for all the clips. Next, we are going to click on the first clip and go to Animations. Now go to Combo and select an animation. Do this for all the images. For the background music, you could simply add the example clip we download in there. Extract the audio, delete the video and put the audio under the images. Yes, you can use copyrighted music in shorts and make money with it. But since this is a long-form video, I will use copyrighted free music. And maybe you are interested as well to make something that is 100% copyright free. So go to the YouTube music library and pick a song you find is the most fitting. I like this one. Now after downloading it, put it under the images in CapCut and resize it. If you want, you can opt to add a watermark like this, so people will be less tempted to steal all of your videos. As a final touch, we are going to Filters. Now add some nice filters like the Vivid, Center Light and Focus, and adjust the intensity if necessary. And that's it. Now export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result of that short, we're going to create the advanced Jesus short, because the Jesus Shorts channel also make these kind of shorts. Hyper-realistic stories where Jesus is rescuing someone or doing something interesting. Other small channels are also hopping on this kind of shorts, Jesus stories. Like this channel, for example, they are doing a great job, with almost 70,000 subscribers, 6 million views, and now they make around $2,000 a month. Here is something they make. But okay, let's go to ChatGPT and ask for a Jesus story and image prompts. So ask something along the lines of, "Hey, please give me image prompts for each scene of a story of Jesus rescuing a minion. The image style should be hyper-realism and fantasy illustration." Okay, perfect. But now we only have like 6 prompts, that's result in around 6 images. Since we want a longer video, let's ask this. Please do it again and create 12 prompts. Okay, perfect. Now we only need to generate these 12 image prompts. You can use Leonardo AI. or you can use ideogram. But I am going to use Midjourney right now. Simply copy and paste the prompt, add the vertical video dimensions, upscale them, and download the best looking images. I sometimes even download 2 or even 4 images of the same prompt to get the story better across. Okay, now open CapCut again, exit your old project, and click on the 3 dots and duplicate it. Now open that project. Now delete the old images and add the new ones we just generated. Rearrange all the images in chronological order in alignment with the story. Okay, nice. Now enlarge the duration or the audio, watermark and filters. Now add the transitions. And last but not least, add the animations. When you are done, simply export your video in 4K. But wait guys, we are going to add one last image to the story. I generated this image of Jesus holding a sign that says, "Subscribe and comment." Let's add it toward the end of the video and then we can export it. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Jesus Shorts channel and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.